How to clear cache in Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. And once you do that, click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on Settings. And here, from the Basics section, you want to click on Privacy and Security, and then click on Clear Browsing Data. You will land on this page right here, from which you will be able to clear the Chrome browser cache. All what you need to do is either be on the Basic tab or the Advanced tab, it doesn't matter, whatever one you choose. And here you need to uncheck all of the boxes and check only the cached images and files box. After that, from the time range option, click on the drop down next to it to select the time frame or the period that you want to delete the cache in, say for example last 24 hours. And once you do that, it means that you will remove only the cached images and files, aka the Google Chrome browser cache, in the last 24 hours only. Once you're okay with that, click on the clear data button at the bottom right corner, the blue one. You will get this confirmation box that asks you, are you sure you want to delete data from this site, etc., etc. They may be important to you. So you can check and uncheck these options right here as suits you the best. And once you are okay with that, click on clear to confirm and wait for it. And that's it. You have just cleared the Google Chrome's browser cache in that time period that you have chosen. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove and clear the Google Chrome's cache. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.